Thank you. Mia, what's on your hand? Show me. Good morning, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another vlog. So today is Monday the 24th, I believe, and today about to get ready to go out, aren't we? Gonna go out.
The car.
Should go in the car. You like going in the car. He loves going in the car, don't you? But anyway, yeah, so I'm about to try on a dress because I'm thinking about going into town to go to Primark or go to the fort to go to Primark because I need to take a dress back. I basically tried it on and I was like, oh, the sleeves are a bit too puffy, but I'm going to try it on again and see how it looks on camera, and if I like it then I'm going to keep it. If not, then we're going to take it back. We're going to take it back. We're going to take it back. What? What is it? Pop! But that's what's going on. I'm about to get me and the kids ready and then we're going to head out. So I've just tried the dress on again and I can confirm I don't like it because of the sleeves. It just, I don't know, and it's kind of really puffy and it just doesn't make me feel good. So look at it, it's just like I got muscles. Careful, darling. So this dress is gonna have to go back, unfortunately, because I really did like it.
It's the bed.
You want to go on the bed? Jump. You want to jump?
No.
Shall I throw you? Yeah? Okay, we're gonna throw him. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, up! Guys, look what Issa does. I'm just gonna leave the camera on him and you can see what he does. Go on, do it. Wow! You're crazy.
Jumpy.
You're so funny. Oh my god.
Jump.
So we just got to the fort. Aleesa's got a jacket on. Issa fell asleep in the car, but I don't have a jacket or anything for him, unfortunately. So, but it's really warm, so it's okay. Aleesa will take her jacket off, I'm guessing. Anyway, we are headed to Primark now.
I'm gonna show Mommy the elf on the ride I saw in the car.
Yeah, so Aleesa saw this ride and it's got Elsa on it. What have you got? Yummy, yummy. Was it nice?
Yeah.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch that. She dropped that on the floor and wanted to touch it. Is it tasty? I got a double shot iced latte and it's so nice. It's like not sweet at all, which is what I really like. And it's just so nice. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, guys, I'm being really good in Primark. I haven't bought anything at all. Aleesa's still eating her cupcake. Taking her time. So we're back at the car now and Issa just woke up and he's eating his cake. So I'm not letting him get in the car until he's finished it, because he's making a good mess. Yeah, we're going to go in the car in a minute. Finish your cake. Have you finished it? Oh, look at the messy boy. Look at the messy boy. Look at the messy boy. Should we wipe you? Should we get some wipes? What is it? Whoa, what is this? What is it?
Look at that.
It's a prayer mat for you. And it tells you everything that you need to do when you pray. And where to put your hands and your knees and your head. And then it tells you all the different things here, which we'll have a look at later. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah, you can play with it too. When he's older like me.
Yeah. So guys, it is a little bit later at home now, and the state of my living room is not nice. So I'm about to clean this up. Also the kitchen. So you're gonna have a little bit of a speed clean going on. It's a mess. Fun times. So I'm gonna be cleaning this up. The kids are playing in the garden, having some fun. And yeah, just want a nice tidy house. Also, ignore this. I'm just trying something new. So I just had to change a stinky bum. While I'm there, I'm just going to tidy up the floor because there's chips all over the floor from the McDonald's. So I'm going to pick all of the chips up and put them in the nappy bag as that's going in the bin anyway. So that's what I'm going to do. My kids, but my kids always tend to get yogurt on the sofa. Hey Lisa. Aleesa's Cinderella today. Is it Cinderella?
Yeah.
No, it's Belle.
Belle.
She's Belle. So I'm literally just using these floor wipes, which I can't even remember where I got these from. Poundland maybe, I don't know. But I'm just going to try and rub this a bit and see if it comes off.
Mom, you've got so much stuff to clean floors.
I do, don't I? There we go. Much better than before. It will probably dry a lot better. Oh, sorry, darling. But now, time to tackle the rest of the room. So I was about to tidy up all of this. Found the Primark bag. I haven't showed you what I got yet, so I might as well show you. So I kind of don't know why I bought this. This is like a wardrobe scent thing. Smells amazing, so I thought I would pick that up to put in my wardrobe. And then Aleesa got some new pants in her size because she's like in all like the smaller sizes and she's growing out of them. She's getting big. Also some new socks to fit her better. And the last thing was a pair of men's joggers, which I needed because I just need joggers with pockets because they're just comfortable to wear around the house. So I got some extra small grey ones, but this was the only colour they had. They didn't have any kind of like light grey or cream or anything like that, so I just got these ones, but it's okay, it's fine, doesn't matter. These were £5. Aleesa, do you want to show them what you got? Aleesa promised me she was going to get rid of 3 toys and she ended up buying this because she really wanted it. Anyway, I'm going to carry on cleaning.
I'm going to do cleaning downstairs, okay?
Okie dokie.
And we even got, this is my surprise. Mommy, I just showed them this, my surprise.
Yeah, it's so good.
And I'm going to teach Isa how to do it like this. Okay, I'm going to
You're such a great sister.
Okay, I'm going to teach Isa. Yeah, I'll see that. And look, we can even put my surprise in here. And it even makes noise with orange eyes.
Has he got orange eyes?
What?
Has he got orange eyes? I didn't know that.
It's just one. Look.
Oh, wow. you my honest opinion of this Hoover right now. I wasn't paid to give this opinion. I wasn't paid to lie or anything like that. They basically asked me for an honest review, and not even on YouTube, they want it on Instagram. So I'm going to tell you what I think of this Hoover properly right now. So yesterday when I started using it, it was so hard to push, oh my god, but I think it just needed to be pushed a little bit before it worked properly.
For Aleesa.
Okay, but it was really hard to push the first time I used it, but then it got really easy. Now it is so easy to use. Literally the bin thing, whatever it's called, what is it called, the bucket, what's that, what is that called? That is massive. The suction is amazing. Oh, thank you so much. The suction on it is amazing, really good. It's so easy to release the wand. Like on the other one I had to take off one of the pipes and then put it onto the other one. This one you literally press the button. Let me show you. You literally press this button here and then it comes out, and then you can use that bit, which is so easy. Oh my god, like before I would have to do the whole room and then do the edges, or do the edges and then do the rest of the room. But with that you can literally just do both at the same time. You can do one side of the room, do that, do the other side of the room, do that. That's what I just did now, but I love it. And then it's got like a carpet setting, so it's good for carpets, and it's like, it makes it easy to push. Also on the top here there's a suction setting, so maximum and minimum like lets more air through, which makes it easier to push if you turn that to minimum. But I've had it on maximum and it's been pushing fine, so all good. It's also got this little hook here, which I think is for when you are hoovering and you don't want the wire to get in the way. You can put it up there. I haven't tried that yet because I just realised it was there, but that's a really good idea if it is. But yeah, this room is basically done now. I am just gonna chill for a little bit and then go and do the kitchen. I half edited a video this morning which I need to finish doing, and I'm going to be uploading that today in a little bit. I might do that now actually. I think I'm going to do that now. Aleesa! Aleesa! Can you pass me the toilet roll, please? I can't reach it. It's there. It's there. Thank you. What's that? Come here. What's on your hand? Show me. Show me. What's on your hand? Look. It's poo. Have you got poo in your hand?
I'll take it off.
And wipe it up here. Is that gross? Did you taste it? Did you lick it? Let me see your tongue. You got poo on your tongue. I'm only joking, it's chocolate. Look. It's Nutella. No, I'm not even on the toilet. Thank you. Wash your hands. Oh, look, I filmed it.
I like your pants.
Did you think I put poo on you? I could not stop laughing. That was funny. Aleesa, did you like it? No, you're not having a chocolate cake. Did you think it was poop? Is that gross? Oh, you're giving them a hug. Oh my god, I'm so bad at pranks. I literally could not stop laughing then. Okay, I need to go and pray now. So just got home not long ago. The kids are about to have a bath. It is nearly 8 o'clock. So I am about to tidy up the kitchen as much as I can, because obviously we didn't cook, so might as well do something. So I'm going to tidy up the kitchen. It's a big mess in here. So that is the plan right now. And that is all I'm going to do. I'm gonna go and sort the kids out in the bath now. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.